Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today we are going to be trying out the LA Girl Flashy Mascara. I randomly saw this at CVS and I decided to pick it up. It was only $4.99. They had a couple different ones, but I chose the Flashy Mascara. It says high def look, lifting effect, big and bold, ultimate volume, helps curl, long wearing, dual sided brush, adds volume and length. I've never tried a mascara from LA Girl, I don't think so. So let's get into it. My final thoughts on this mascara, I'm not really a fan of it. As you can see, it's super messy. I don't know if you guys can even see the top, but there's like mascara all around it. And it's just like super messy and goopy when it comes out of the tube. It didn't really do much for my lashes. It gave like a natural look, like maybe a little bit more dramatic. I don't even want to use the word dramatic though, because my lashes are not dramatic right now, but just a little bit longer than natural look. It didn't really do much for my lashes. It gave like a natural look, like maybe a little bit more dramatic. I don't even want to use the word dramatic though, because my lashes are not dramatic right now, but just a little bit longer than natural look. But yeah, I'm not really a fan of this mascara. I guess there's a reason why it's only $4.99, because it's not really good. Although I shouldn't say that, because I do have a Jordana mascara that is $3.99 I believe, and it is absolutely amazing. So really the price doesn't really have anything to do with it. I'm just looking for excuses. It's good if you're looking for a cheap mascara to make your lashes look a little bit longer than natural. Like you just have to be careful because it is super messy. Like look how much product just came off that. Like yeah. Okay, so that is it for this episode of Mascara Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if there's a mascara that you want to see featured in this series, comment down below and let me know. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.